from UK.
Okay, so I have many books that I can show you. I have a look at book. This is called Cambridge IELTS Academic 11. Okay, which is outstanding book for those people who wants to develop their English skill. So do you want to purchase it? I can discount you for you. I can have a discount for you.
Actually, I hear about this book. Is a very good, and is I know also about this writer, and he's a most popular writer. But at the moment, I'm sorry to say that I'm looking something different as a native speaker with the British writer.
Okay, we have done
Do
another
do
book.
you know?
Okay, so as you are looking forward to
Right.
having some books which can help you to level up your pronunciation, I mean, as you have said earlier that you have weakness in your pronunciation. So have a look the book. Okay, the book is written by a renowned writer who is from Bangladesh. Okay, and many individual, I mean, many people, many students who are studying at Bangladesh have a tendency to purchase it. I mean, many people who wants to develop their English skill have a tendency to purchase the book. So do you want to purchase it? It can help you to improve your pronunciation. You have a chance to be like American speaker or British, whatever you say.
Okay, sounds are very good. Actually, I'll think about it, but I hear from some other friend they recommend me to get some books from a British writer. So
British,
I
right?
want to see first that one, and after that I will come back here to get more details about this writer.
Okay, sorry to
But
say
for
that.
that moment, I need some time.
Okay, sorry to say that we don't have any books which is written by a British writer, but we are planning. I mean, we are planning to have this type of books in our shop.
That's fine.
We are also selling the phone. Do you need any book? Do you need any phones? The name of the phone is Oppo F19 Pro.
Actually, at the moment, I don't want to use a another one phone. I mean, a second phone. So it's not necessary at this moment. In the future, if I need to see any extra phone, so I will think about it. But right now, I don't want to get any phone as a second phone.
So do you need anything else without books and phones?
No, actually, I I wanted I want to get a book who is from British writer. So didn't get it. So we'll talk again about it. Or if you keep my number, if you have it in future, you're gonna call me or you're gonna go get a message.
Okay, so
You're
can I
gonna
say
send a message.
we have another book which is Sapiens. I mean Sapiens, which is written by Yuval Noah Harari, who is a professor of Jerusalem. I mean Israel. Okay, do you want to purchase the book?
No, actually, I'm not gonna interest to purchase anything from the Israel. Is the purpose of this? We are seeing very Israeli people are killing our Muslim brothers and sister. For this purpose, I'm not interested in any Israeli product.
Okay,
I'm
so who
sorry
is your
to say that, but I respect who is a human.
okay, so who is your favorite writer in Bangladesh? Do you know any name?
Actually, I'm not recharged about it.
Okay, so you want to say that you don't have any favorite writers. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so as you have purchased one book, am I right?
We'll see in future if you have any new collection in your shop. We'll in touch.
Okay, so nice to meet you, and I want to say that please come back once again in our shop to purchase new somethings. Actually, it doesn't
Thank you.
have any, it doesn't have any meaning that you have to purchase something from our shop. Okay, nice to meet you.
Actually, I'm very happy to meet you today. You're a very friendly and nice person.
Okay,
So